In this video, I will show how to change IP address of a website to dedicated IP address on a cPanel server. This is the new IP address I want to assign to this website. First of all, let's see if IP is live. For that, you can ping the IP address. Ping then IP address. Press enter. We are not getting any response, and that means the IP address is not live. Here I am logged into the server. To see all the configured IP, you can use the command IP space A. Then you can grep the IP address, the new IP address. Press enter. We don't have this IP configured on this server. First of all, we need to add the IP in the server. For that, log into WHM. I have already logged into WHM here. Search for IP. Under the IP functions, you have the option to add a new IP address. Click on add a new IP. Enter the IP address. For this server, we need netmask 255.255.255. Click on submit. Now go back to the SSH and see if the IP is available. We have the IP available now. Let's see if the ping works. Currently we can ping the IP, that is the IP is live. If we go to the IP address, we will see a cPanel default page. What we need to do is change IP address of a website to this new IP address. For that, click on change site IP address link under the account functions. Here you need to find the website. Search for the website name. This is the website I need to change IP for. Click on change. From the drop down, you can see the new IP address here. Starting with the 51, select the IP address and click on change. Now if we visit this IP address, we will see the website. This is because the cache. Let's check on incognito window. Now we are getting redirected to this domain because the website is working on the dedicated IP address. We are seeing this warning message because the domain is still pointing to older IP address. We need to edit the DNS for this domain name and point to the new IP address. DNS for this domain is managed by Cloudflare. We need to edit the DNS entry and point to the new IP address. The new IP address is ending with 122. So click on edit, then change the IP, click on save. Do this for the main domain name. Then for the www also. Now we have modified the DNS entry and pointed the domain to the new dedicated IP address. The DNS change may take some time to propagate. The time depends on the DNS server you use. If you use public DNS like Google DNS, the DNS change gets propagated much faster. Once the DNS is propagated, you can visit the domain name and you will see the SSL working. Let's go back to the Firefox and see if the SSL is working. The website is working from the dedicated IP address now. Thank you for watching. Hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.